This is the I Ching's answer. First line.
Helping others after completing your activities. Nothing to blame yourself for. Even though it is a time of reduction, don't deplete your resources by helping others. Think about how others can also learn to help each other. A simple rule for helping others is: don't put anyone above yourself. When you give, never harm your assets or loved ones to do so. You help someone whose car broke down and assist in changing their tire. They ask you to also drive them to repair the flat tire, but you are already late for a work appointment. Only help as much as you can. Offering service engenders happiness. The new Secretary of Labor needs help understanding the system. You've supported them before, but you can stay longer to assist. So you create a manual on how to do things. It is their job, and you have been kind enough. When helping others, also consider yourself. Help, but don't prioritize others above your own needs or obligations. Don't take food from your mouth to help others.
Today, I woke up. Then, I smiled. I am alive. This is one of the 3 reasons to be happy every day. Second line.
It is ominous to attempt a great achievement. You should not diminish yourself just to enrich those above you. Bosses will always have requests. The more you yield, the more they take advantage. This applies to clients as well. As an employee, instead of trying to please your boss, act seriously and with dignity. Everyone benefits. Your boss asks you to give up your vacation and return to work. You offer to help online for a few hours, but refuse to abandon your vacation altogether. Your ambitious couple wants to go on a weekend with her friends and wants you to ask no questions about whom she or he is going with. You know for sure she or he is going to go with someone else alone. She's clearly or he's clearly a cheater. Don't yield on this, even if it means losing her or him. Your boss suggests you entertain out-of-town visitors without consulting you first. You are within your rights to refuse, even if it risks your job.
Can you hear the river flowing into the lake? The heart is fire. The mind is ice. In the middle, there is peace and life. Your words have this power. Third line.
You travel with 2 companions, but the Chris will leave only 2. If you travel alone, you'll make a friend. If you have 2 options, only one will remain available. You have limited time to decide, and the clock is ticking. Choose the one most aligned with you. All excess will be balanced. If someone arrives in excess, whether due to karma or social adjustments, it will be diminished. Conversely, those lacking will receive support. If you must choose between multiple options, the deadline has arrived. If indecision prevails, the moment's nature will choose for you. If a loss was previous experience, it will now be recovered. The best choice is to select someone you are most aligned with or can learn something from. The gain far outweighs the loss. Your decision should prioritize utility over aesthetics or appearance.
A mountain means stop, as self-restriction, as self-knowledge. To be one with oneself, this is the second reason to be happy every day. Like and subscribe. Fourth line.
If you reduce your bad habits, happiness will follow. There is no reason for regret. Don't be sad about the letting go of something harmful. It is more than worth what you gain. If something must be lost between 2 or more involved parties, aim to be fair, or find a way for the loss to bring benefits, such as fostering goodwill. If asking directly about health, act fast, seek a cure, and don't delay. If you are ill, now is the time to seek a cure. Act quickly. Improving always leads to greater happiness. Admitting your mistakes allows you to correct them. These errors are burdens. Letting go of something shouldn't be excessively painful. What you relinquish should be easy to part with. Correct your faults once you become aware of them. Aim for win-win deals. Think of this as an exchange. The payment you seek is something that makes you happy.
The chi in you must be directed to the back spine in order to ascend, keeping still and still moving. Comment and share. Fifth line.
Someone increases it. The offer you receive enriches you. Refusal is possible. The highest good fortune. This line has a strong affinity, or chi, for those seeking a partner. The love of your life is about to arrive. Congratulations, Immortal. What you've long desired is on its way. You've been searching for a partner for a long time. Someone enters your life who awakens the strongest, most beautiful feelings you've ever experienced. This time, you have won the jackpot. You have always done a good job, but the golden opportunity people talk about had never come your way. Now it has. A wonderful offer you've always dreamed of. You are offered your dream job. Everything is for the better. Great good fortune. Accept what's being given to you as though heaven itself provided it. Be humble and grateful. This line in this hexagram is one of the best omens in all of the I Ching.
When everything is going okay, remember to keep the state of Tai. This is bliss. On hard times, hold out hope and trust in yourself. If you need a private reading, the contact mail is below in the description. Sixth line.
The subject should not diminish those below, but enrich them. Persisting is auspicious. Gaining unlimited followers. This line has extraordinary affinity with people in politics or influencers. The benefit is much greater than expected. You can and should share it with those around you. Of course, this includes your collaborators as well. Politicians and influencers require followers. People are ready to receive. It is the perfect moment to give, and giving now will yield limitless benefits. For teachers, directors, union leaders, etc., this is the time to give. Benefits will multiply tenfold at least. Distribute benefits or earnings. Giving without diminishing yourself is ideal. What you have achieved shouldn't serve only personal use, but benefit society and be available to all.
Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma. Subscribe and share.